In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save data while watching YouTube. If you're on a limited data plan or just want to be more efficient, a few quick tweaks can make a big difference without ruining your viewing experience. We'll keep things simple and stick to what works best. Start by going to the video you want to watch. Open YouTube and load the exact video you plan to view. Having the video open makes it easy to change the settings that control how much data it uses while it plays. Now, adjust the video quality. On the player, click the gear icon, also known as Settings. Choose Quality, then select 480p or lower. Lower resolutions use less data because fewer pixels are being streamed each second. On smaller screens, 480p is often more than clear enough, and even 360p can look fine for talk shows, tutorials, or anything where crisp detail isn't essential. If you ever notice the quality bumping back up automatically, just switch it down again. Some players try to match your connection, and manually setting it ensures you keep data usage in check for that session. Next, turn off autoplay. In the video player, look for the autoplay toggle near the CC and settings icons, and switch it off. This prevents YouTube from automatically starting another video when the current one ends. Those extra videos can quietly eat through your data, especially if you're not paying attention or you've stepped away from your screen. Finally, limit background tabs. Keep only the YouTube tab you're actively watching open. Extra YouTube tabs can buffer content in the background or keep preview videos ready, which consumes data you might not realize is being used. Closing unnecessary tabs also helps your connection stay stable and keeps your device running smoothly. Here's a quick tip to remember. As you watch, choosing a lower resolution and disabling autoplay are the easiest and most impactful ways to save data. These two changes take seconds to apply and can immediately cut down on usage without requiring any extra tools or complicated settings. That's it. Open the video you want, lower the quality to 480p or below, turn off autoplay, and keep only the tab you're watching. With these simple habits, you'll stretch your data further while still enjoying your favorite content. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a quick refresher.